There's so much conflicting information when it comes to washing down there. Douching used to be an incredibly popular way to do it, but now the word is more of an insult. I think some women still use the method, but it involves a bag with a nozzle that sprays a mix of water, antiseptics, fragrances, and sometimes even vinegar directly into your vagina. Gynecologists actually tell us this is a major no-no due to the potential of getting vaginal infections and inflammation. On the other end of the spectrum, there are many people who insist that your vagina and vulva don't need any cleaning at all because the vagina is a self-cleaning organ. That part is true, but let's find out what is fact and what's fiction when it comes to staying fresh and sanitary. Hello, I'm Carrie, your tushy enthusiast and better booty advocate and better vagina advocate. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on gut, butt, poop health, and now vulva health. And hit that bell so you're notified every single time we post new videos. All right, I want to hear this. Comment below if you've ever had a vag washing horror story. I can't wait to hear them. So let's start by understanding the difference between the vagina and the vulva. People tend to mix these up, wrongly referring to the area containing the labia minora, labia majora, clitoris, and urethra as the vagina. Really though, that's actually known as the vulva. The vagina is the internal organ, or the part that's inside of us, and it's its own organ, and just like any other internal organ, it does not need to be cleaned. You wouldn't put water and soap in your liver to clean it out, and you don't need to do that to your vagina either. The vagina has its own microbes and good bacteria, and it maintains its pH levels on its own. Doing anything to alter that, like spraying something up there, even if it's just water, sends the pH out of whack and actually makes things feel worse and smell worse in the long run. Remember, a healthy vagina should have a slight odor. It's natural. The vulva, however, can be freshened up. Think of this like washing your face. You want to get the sweat and dirt off your face with water or a cleanser to keep you clean and unblock those pores, but you would never shove it up your nose, eyes, ears, or mouth. So let's talk about a few things that you can do every day to keep your V feeling fresh and clean. Taking a shower is the most obvious way to clean your V, but when you're not feeling clean down there, you don't always have to wait to shower just to clean up. If you need to freshen up during your period, after a run, before and after sex, or when you just got a bumble match and are feeling a little spontaneous, try cleaning your vulva with our TUSHY bidet. It's a bidet attachment that fits on most standard toilets, and with a turn of a knob, your V is clean. On certain versions of the bidet, including the spa model, the water from the nozzle can be adjusted to your preferred temperature so that you can actually wash that delicate part of your body with a nice warm stream. So now you might be wondering how to wash. Well, it's easy. You can easily change the angle of the nozzle from washing your bum to your V, or the method that I prefer is just by simply popping your booty back a little when you're sitting on the toilet, and the stream from the bidet perfectly cleans your vulva. You can also adjust the water pressure on your tushy to whatever you prefer. And now you have a gentle stream of water doing the vulva cleaning for you. No hands involved. So after you wash off, you can use toilet paper to dry, or you can use a towel to pat dry, like our sustainable and antibacterial, reusable, super soft bamboo bum towels. For more info on the bidet, reasons to wash, go check out our other videos linked in the description. Our next big tip is to beware of what type of underwear you put on and what you wash it with. You want your underwear to be breathable and comfortable. Wearing 100% cotton underwear and washing it with mild fragrance-free laundry detergent helps keep any irritation and infections from occurring. Cotton is recommended because it's breathable and super comfy. For those of you with sensitive skin, try avoiding synthetic fibers like nylon or polyester. Synthetic fibers can sometimes be more irritating and less breathable, but it really depends on the person. Wearing pads and panty liners instead of using non-fragrant tampons or menstrual cups can cause bad bacteria to build up near your vulva and create some quite unpleasant smells. Long story short, life makes our V messy sometimes between sweat, sex, periods, and just daily discharge. And the TUSHY bidet is great at cleaning all of the above, but sometimes you just need to get in there and use your hands to clean. So now let's learn how to clean it with your hands, and it's gonna get real. All right, time for vulva washing 101. If you're cleaning your vulva in the shower or bath or with the bidet, you're gonna wanna be gentle with how you do it and minimal in what you use. Using warm water and your hand while you're in the shower or tub is absolutely enough to get the job done. It is okay though to use a pH balanced soap without fragrance or irritants if you feel like you need something more than just water. But remember to keep washing exclusively to your lip area and to not wash the inside of your vaginal cavity. Just use your hands to clean between the folds and do not use a washcloth, loofah, or anything else that can cause irritation to the sensitive skin of the labia. We're sensitive down there. Avoid being harsh when you wash as well, since you don't want to to create any tears or tears. Always make sure you pat dry afterwards so that moisture and bacteria do not build up. When you wash it with the bidet or you're using your hands, you can pat dry with the toilet paper or a reusable bump towel like I showed you earlier. These babies were made to pat dry after washing. If you wanted to grab our Tushy bidet or a pack of our bump towels, head over to hellotushy.com/vlog. So I hope you learned all about cleaning your vulva today, and if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss any of our new videos. I also want to invite you to join our Facebook group called the Tushy Movement. Get it? Bowel movement, where we discuss taboo topics like vulva health, gut health, poop health, sustainability, bidets, and all things in between the cheeks. The link to join is in the description below, and I really hope to see you in there. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Happy pooping and happy vulva cleaning.